Imagine you've just discovered Favepay, an incredible platform that's revolutionized your online experience. You're hooked, captivated by its features and the community it fosters. But what if you have a question, a suggestion, or simply want to reach out to the team behind this amazing platform? How do you do it? Understanding Favepay's channels. Favepay, being a vibrant online community, offers multiple avenues for communication. Let's explore these channels. Favepay Help Center. This is your first port of call. The Help Center is packed with FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step instructions to address common issues. If your query is straightforward, chances are you'll find the answer here. Favepay Community Forums. Join the lively discussions on the Favepay forums. Here, you can connect with other users, share your experiences, and seek advice from both the community and Favepay's support team. You might even discover hidden tips and tricks that aren't documented in the Help Center. In-app support. Many Favepay features have built-in support options. Look for help buttons, contact forms, or live chat options within the app itself. This ensures you get assistance directly related to the specific feature you're using. Reaching out directly to Favepay support. If you've exhausted the options above and still need further assistance, it's time to contact Favepay's support team directly. Here's how. Favepay support email. Send an email to Favepay's dedicated support address. Be as specific as possible in your query, providing relevant details and screenshots if necessary. The support team will strive to respond to your email promptly. Favepay social media. Favepay is likely active on various social media platforms. Reach out to them through their official accounts, but remember that social media might not be the most efficient way to resolve complex issues. Tips for effective communication. To ensure a smooth and efficient interaction with Favepay's support team, keep these tips in mind. Be clear and concise. Clearly articulate your problem or question. Avoid unnecessary jargon and provide all relevant information up front. Be patient. Understand that support teams receive a high volume of inquiries. While they'll do their best to assist you promptly, there might be a slight wait time. Be respectful. Treat the support team with courtesy and respect. Remember, they're there to help you. When to follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up. A polite reminder can sometimes nudge your query to the top of the queue. Favepay values its users and is committed to providing excellent support. By utilizing the channels we've discussed, you can effectively communicate your needs and find the assistance you require. So go ahead, explore Favepay's world with confidence, knowing that help is always within reach. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.